despite any previous success you may have had with procrastination, and despite the temptation to procrastinate in college, I can guarantee you that procrastination does not work in college. Unfortunately, many students do not realize that until they fail their first exam or their first class. Some do not realize it until much later. The earlier that you realize that procrastination does not work in college, the more successful you will be. There are 3 primary skills for controlling procrastination. Number 1, create a prioritized daily task list every day. By prioritizing your tasks each day, and by ensuring that your academic tasks are always among your highest priorities, you can avoid the temptation to do something else before you have completed your academic tasks for the day. Number 2, give yourself incentives or rewards. Instead of procrastinating your academic tasks by doing something fun or relaxing instead, use that fun or relaxing activity as an incentive to first complete your academic tasks, and then as a reward for completing your academic tasks. Number 3, break large tasks into small pieces. Many of your academic tasks will consist of large assignments or projects. By breaking those large assignments or projects into smaller pieces, and by working on them consistently each day over the amount of time you have to complete them, you will reduce the amount of time you spend working on them each day. You will be making progress each day. You will reduce the amount of stress you feel. You will avoid procrastination, and you will complete the assignments or projects much more effectively than if you had procrastinated.